In this section, we're going to look at bounded media. Basically, bounded media is anything that requires a physical medium, so it's not Wi-Fi. Bounded media is copper wiring, it is fiber optic cable, anything that does not require anything that does require some kind of media to transmit network data. So let's go ahead and look and see what we have here. Okay, define our terms. Bandwidth is the maximum amount of data a connection can transmit in a given amount of time. Throughput, on the other hand, is the actual amount. Bandwidth is the maximum amount. Throughput is what's actually being transmitted through a connection. So throughput is a more accurate measure. Attenuation is a signal's loss, basically due to interference, due to the length of the transmission, length of the cable, anything like that. Anything that causes the cable signal or the network signal to degrade is considered to be attenuation. Loss is any event diminishing transmission quality, like, for example, somebody turns on a vacuum cleaner or a microwave oven and that causes interference. So that would cause the cable, the EMF interference would cause the cable to lose efficiency in transmission. And at that point, then you'd lose network connectivity or it would be severely interrupted. Interference, that's what I just described. It's a type of attenuation caused by two devices using the same technology. I had a customer long ago, back when landlines were a thing, that had a wireless handset for her phone line, used 2.4 gigahertz as a signal, and they couldn't understand why every time their phone rang, they got kicked off the internet. But that's what it was. Basically, the 2.4 gigahertz phone was kicking the 2.4 gigahertz wireless router off of the network. So that is interference. Two or more devices using the same frequency or the same technology. Coaxial cable. This is television cable. It's a copper-based medium, single insulated copper core surrounded by a conducting shield. It's black, thick cable that you see coming out of the back of your television set. Twin axial is basically the same thing, only there are two cores instead of just one. Twisted pair, this is regular network cable, Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7, Cat8. It's copper wires, little copper wires twisted together and then twisted. The pairs are twisted together inside of an insulated jacket. Single mode fiber, SMF, is a single fiber optic cable intended for long distance application. Multimode fiber is a fiber-based bounded media intended for short distance applications. So multimode, basically short distance, single mode is long distance. Both are fiber optics, so that means they're made of glass or plastic. ANSI, the American National Standards Institute, is a U.S. organization overseeing the development of many standards for a variety of products. Telecom Industry Alliance, TIA, is a standards development organization representing hundreds of information and communication technology, or ICT, companies. Electronic Industry Alliance is a standards development alliance for electronics manufacturers that disbanded into individual constituent divisions in 2010. ISO is a standard development cohort for the standards of member countries. So this is an international standard. And International Electrotechnical Commission is the same thing for electrical devices. Basically, once you've gotten all those abbreviations down and you're familiar with what bounded media versus unbounded media is, you should be in pretty good shape for this section. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Reach me through the Canvas inbox or ask me in class, and I'll do my best to answer these questions. Have a good day.